Welcome to a new lesson of Filmora. In this lesson, we're going to learn about video stabilization. So without any further ado, let's just hop onto the lesson by opening up Filmora on our device. As you can see that I have opened up Filmora. Now click on New Project. On New Project, the first thing you're going to do is going to be importing up your media folder. So I'm going to click on Resource, press on OK. There we go. Now what I'm going to be doing is going to be stabilizing the photo or stabilizing the video, right? So here we have our video. As you can see that our video is quite stable already, but how will you be able to make it more smooth? So if you want to apply the video stabilization, first off, go off to AI tool. Now on your AI tool, you have this option called stabilization. So first things first is that click on the stabilization option to start the analysis. Now make sure you're connected to the internet so that you get full functionality of this. And now what it will do is going to be loading up the whole video and track up the whole thing so that it will look a lot more better. So wait a bit until the application has been applied or the step has been applied, and you can see stabilization has been successful. You can see it's a lot more smoother than how it basically was. You can see how smooth it has become. Let me show you with another video. Let me just delete this part. Now what I'm going to do is try out, let's say I can try out this video. But this is already quite smooth enough. Let me just upload another video from my resource file. So what I'm going to be doing is going to be clicking on import the folder again. There we go. We have all of these right now. So I'm going to do is just apply this video over here. And then I'm going to apply the stabilization again. So after it has been stabilized or given us a 100%, you'll basically see how good it will be. So I'm going to play it up for now. You can see this is how it looks like. So if I start on the analyzation, you'll basically see that it will be a lot more smoother and a lot more stable than how it is right now. So I'm going to just keep on playing it, okay, until it has been applied. You can see a lot of shakes over here. So I'm going to make that a lot more stable. I can see that this is a lot more stable right now. You can see a small bumpy area, but it looks like wiggling, not like, shaking or anything. See, this is how it will look like. So it's not like the best which you get on the market or in all softwares, but it doesn't give you the worst either. So you can try using this stabilization option of, this video stabilizer. And you can also fix out your lens corrections if you want to. So this is basically how you'll be able to stabilize your video in Filmora. Okay, so thank you for watching this video up till the very end, and this was a very short one, but still, if you have any confusion or any question about any part of me, and one thing which I forgot to mention at the beginning is that you only have this option in the newest version of Filmora. If you're using an older version, you have to either get a premium or you just have to update it. You will not get this access because this is AI powered, so make sure to use the newest version, or either get the premium. You'll be able to use this option on Filmora then. So thank you for watching this video again, and now let's move on to our next lesson of Filmora.